NASA says its Explorer, one the most far-off human-made object in the universe, is sending usable data to Earth again. In the universe, we have no idea what it is except we can gauge it. Explorer 1, the notorious space probe launched by NASA more than 4.5 decades ago, has recently conveyed back a message that has sent shockwaves through the academic community. After traveling almost 14 billion miles from Earth, Explorer 1 has made a discovery so significant that it has altered the course of its mission, turning back toward our planet. Join us on this cosmic journey. 7 minutes ago, Explorer 1 made an alarming discovery and began its return to Earth. But what exactly might this revelation be? Could it be proof of extraterrestrial life, a vast anomaly, or something even more unfathomable? In this gripping investigation, we will uncover these stunning discoveries. Explorer 1 has just made a startling discovery that caused it to suddenly turn back toward Earth. History of the Explorer twin probes. If certain divine events hadn't aligned, two of the most amazing rockets ever launched might never have left Earth. In this case, it was the four largest planets aligning in our solar system around 60 years ago. These planets were slowly aligning in a manner that had last occurred during Thomas Jefferson's presidency in the mid-19th century. This intriguing planetary arrangement initially went largely unnoticed. The first person to recognize its significance was Gary Flandreau, a doctoral student in flight mechanics at the California Institute of Technology in 1965. At the time, space exploration was just beginning. Working part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, Flandreau was tasked with determining the most efficient way to send a space probe to Jupiter or even farther to Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune. Using a simple pencil, Flandreau carefully plotted the orbital paths of these giant planets and made an extraordinary discovery. In the late 1970s and mid-1980s, all four planets would align in such a way that they could be visited in a single mission. This alignment meant a spacecraft could use the gravitational pull of each planet to slingshot itself to the next, drastically reducing travel time. Flandreau determined that this alignment would cut the flight time from Earth to Neptune from 30 years to just 12 years. However, there was a catch. This planetary arrangement only happened once every 176 years. To exploit this rare opportunity, a spacecraft would need to be launched by the mid-1970s. NASA seized this once-in-a-lifetime chance and built two spacecraft for the journey: Explorer 1 and Explorer 2. These twin spacecraft were launched on an extraordinary mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Thanks to the planetary alignment and Flandreau's visionary calculations, the launch of the Explorer twin probes in September 1977 was truly remarkable. Explorer 1 embarked on its incredible journey into space on September 5, 1977, launched by a powerful Titan I Centaur rocket at Cape Canaveral in Florida. Just 15 days earlier, on August 20th, 1977, Explorer 2 was launched. Explorer 1 took a shorter path, and their primary mission was to study the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn along with their moons. However, the twin spacecraft surpassed all expectations. They ventured far beyond their original mission, pushing the boundaries of exploration. Traveling farther and longer than any other spacecraft in history, they broke multiple records on their awe-inspiring journey. They ventured into a region known as interstellar space, an area entirely unknown within our galaxy. Despite being more than 12 billion miles from Earth, these exploratory spacecraft, Explorer 1 and Explorer 2, continue to astonish scientists with their groundbreaking discoveries. Most recently, they made a discovery so shocking that it has taken everyone by surprise: the Explorer's revelations. At the start of their incredible journey over 40 years ago, the Explorer spacecraft amazed experts by providing the first close-up views of the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. These moons, initially believed to be dull and heavily cratered like Earth's moon, turned out to be dynamic and fascinating worlds. Explorer 1 reached Jupiter in March 1979, just 546 days after its launch. Explorer 2, following a slightly different trajectory, arrived in July of that same year. Both spacecraft were equipped with specialized cameras that used filters to capture full-color images. These cameras were designed to be incredibly steady, rotating through space at a rate more than 40 times slower than the hour hand of a clock, ensuring sharp and detailed images. During their mission, the explorers captured more than 33,000 photos of Jupiter and its moons, revealing new and remarkable details. For instance, Europa, one of Jupiter's 53 named moons, was found to have a cracked, icy surface estimated to be more than 60 miles thick. As the spacecraft departed the Jupiter system, they used a gravitational slingshot to gain a speed boost of 35,700 miles per hour, propelling them toward interstellar space. At Saturn, the explorers went their separate ways. Explorer 1 passed through Saturn's magnificent rings, enduring thousands of impacts from tiny dust particles, before flying by Titan, a moon shrouded in an orange haze, and traveling north out of the plane of the planet's rings. Explorer 2, however, continued its journey, reaching Uranus and Neptune in 1986 and 1989, respectively. During its visit to Uranus, Explorer 2 discovered 10 new moons and confirmed that Uranus also had rings. Unfortunately, its achievements were overshadowed by the Challenger disaster, which occurred just 4 days after its closest approach to Uranus. 3 years later, Explorer 2 reached Neptune, encountering the fastest winds recorded on any planet in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, turned out to be one of the coldest places in the solar system, with surface temperatures plunging to a staggering minus 2,335 degrees Fahrenheit. Its frozen volcanoes, capable of shooting nitrogen gas and fine particles up to 5 miles high, were another remarkable discovery. After completing their flybys of Neptune, both spacecraft shut down their cameras, marking the end of their official missions. However, astronomer Carl Sagan, a member of the mission's imaging team, intervened. NASA extended the mission with the hope that the explorers would continue venturing into interstellar space. The spacecraft were renamed the Explorer Interstellar Mission, paving the way for new discoveries beyond the heliosphere. Explorer 1's interstellar milestone. In August 2012, Explorer 1 achieved an incredible milestone by venturing beyond the heliosphere, a vast bubble of charged particles created by the Sun. This achievement was confirmed in 2013 when data from the spacecraft's plasma wave instrument revealed a strong solar flare that caused electrons nearby to vibrate, indicating that Explorer 1 had entered a region of higher particle density than inside the heliosphere. The spacecraft's exact transition date, August 25, 2012, was determined by analyzing data on electron density and charged solar particles. For the Explorer team, this achievement was a source of immense pride. Susan Dodd, the project director, expressed excitement, saying, "We are thrilled to see Explorer 1 achieve the incredible milestone of entering interstellar space." Explorer 2 followed suit in November 2018. Crossing into interstellar space and venturing beyond the Sun's protective bubble. The stunning new discovery. After an incredible 46 years, Explorer 1, the farthest human-made object in space, now over 14.7 billion miles away, continues to send valuable data to Earth. Despite its original mission concluding long ago, the spacecraft remains functional, but its most recent findings have left scientists baffled. As Explorer 1 traveled deeper into interstellar space, it began transmitting unusual data to NASA. The information revealed an anomaly in its trajectory signals, suggesting the presence of a massive, previously undetected object exerting a tremendous gravitational pull. This discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, sparking debates and speculation. Could it be a rogue planet, a black hole, or something entirely unprecedented? The implications are staggering. If confirmed, this object could challenge our fundamental understanding of the universe. NASA has assembled an emergency team of scientists to analyze the data further and explore the anomaly. They are now considering diverting Explorer 1 to gather additional information. The enduring spirit of exploration. Equipped with 3 radioisotope thermoelectric generators, Explorer 1 was initially expected to operate for just 4 to 12 years. Remarkably, it has far exceeded expectations, functioning for an astonishing 46 years. NASA estimates, however, that by 2025 the spacecraft may no longer generate enough power to continue transmitting data. Even as its mission nears its end, Explorer 1's groundbreaking discoveries serve as a testament to humanity's enduring curiosity and the drive to explore the unknown. The recent anomaly has reignited excitement and mystery, reminding us of the vast, uncharted regions of the universe that still await discovery. The story of Explorer 1 is far from over, as the spacecraft's recent anomaly raises profound questions about the nature of the universe and humanity's place within it. While NASA scrambles to analyze the data and determine the next steps, scientists and enthusiasts alike are speculating about the possible implications of this discovery. The mystery of the anomaly. The anomaly reported by Explorer 1 is unprecedented. The gravitational disturbance suggests the presence of an object massive enough to distort space-time in its vicinity, yet it has remained undetected by ground-based telescopes and other observatories. One possibility is the presence of a rogue planet, a planet not bound to any star freely wandering the galaxy. Rogue planets are difficult to detect because they emit little to no light and can only be identified by their gravitational effects or when they pass in front of a distant star, causing a temporary dimming. Another possibility is a primordial black hole, a theoretical type of black hole formed in the early universe. These objects are thought to be extremely small, but incredibly dense, exerting a powerful gravitational pull. If Explorer 1's anomaly is caused by such a black hole, it could revolutionize our understanding of dark matter, as some theories suggest that primordial black holes could make up part of the elusive substance. Alternatively, the disturbance could be something entirely unknown, a new type of celestial object or phenomenon that defies current scientific understanding. A race against time. NASA is now racing against the clock to leverage Explorer 1's remaining operational years. The spacecraft's power supply, generated by its aging radioisotope thermoelectric generators, is dwindling. By 2025, Explorer may first no longer have enough power to operate its instruments or transmit data back to Earth. Scientists are considering several options to maximize the spacecraft's utility. One involves reprogramming its instruments to focus exclusively on the anomaly, gathering as much data as possible before power runs out. Another option is to attempt a maneuver to bring Explorer 1 closer to the source of the anomaly, though this would require precise calculations and could carry risks, including the possibility of losing contact with the spacecraft entirely. Implications for the future. The potential discovery of a new celestial object or phenomenon could have far-reaching implications for astronomy, astrophysics, and space exploration. If the anomaly is confirmed as a rogue planet, it could provide insights into how these planets form and move through the galaxy. If it is a primordial black hole, it could offer a rare opportunity to study these enigmatic objects up close and advance our understanding of the universe's origins. Beyond the scientific implications, this discovery also underscores the enduring value of long-term space missions. Explorer 1, originally designed to last only a few years, has continued to make groundbreaking discoveries more than 4 decades later. Its journey is a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to explore the unknown. The next chapter. As the world waits for more information, the story of Explorer 1 serves as a reminder of how much we have yet to learn about the cosmos. This tiny spacecraft, launched in the 1970s, has ventured farther than any human-made object in history and continues to push the boundaries of what we know. The anomaly it has uncovered may hold answers to some of the most profound questions about the universe, or it may raise new ones. Either way, Explorer 1's journey is far from over, and its legacy will continue to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. The final chapter of Explorer 1's mission promises to be its most thrilling yet. As NASA prepares to investigate this mysterious anomaly, the spacecraft's findings could redefine our understanding of the universe and humanity's place within it.